Have you ever had a friend put you on the spot? Well, that happened to me. A few days ago, a friend of mine called me and said, AG, you keep talking about AIs. I know my birthday is this month. Can you design a birthday flyer for me using AI? I don't have money to pay for paid graphic designers to do it for me and all that. I say, why not? Why not? That's what I've been testing these tools for. So I have to take up the opportunity. But before then, I asked myself this question. I said, I've not tested ChatGPT for flyers. Like I've not really created flyers with ChatGPT before, so I don't know how it's going to look at because okay. So I opened ChatGPT, uploaded her picture, wrote a detailed prompt, and honestly, I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't like, what is this? It's looking so fine, professional. Oh, guys, this entire flower was created with AI. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So you can create one for yourself or for someone else or for your birthday. So, and you remember last time I already told you guys how you can install ChatGPT on your phone, right? So let's dive down into the video. First off, there was this last thing I forgot to tell you guys the last time. If you because I'm not a professional designer, a professional graphic designer. So what I do is this. I go to Pinterest or any place, maybe on Facebook, maybe anywhere at all that you're able to get access to flyers that you like. You can bring it to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to extract this prompt for you. ChatGPT will do the work. So yeah, I've gotten my prompt already. I've gotten my prompt. So what I will do now is you head over to my photos and I'm going to select the pictures that I need to create these flyers. So this is what I want. And yes, we have it here. So yes, like I said, I have my prompt already. I'm going to paste the prompts. Then you have to, because ChatGPT is ChatGPT. It's not human. It's not like your human graphic designer. So you have to make sure that the prompts aligns with what you want. So just because we extracted the prompt doesn't mean we're going to push it like that. So we have to edit some things that we don't like. So right now I'm going to edit your brown name is AG edits. We can see that our flyer is generating, so let's give it some time. Yes, guys, do you like what you're saying? Now, there's a little bit of mistake that we're going to correct. So, like I told you, you can edit. So that's one thing I like about ChatGPT. So we are going to edit some things. Now, click on edit. Right, then say the date is 10th August. Sorry, 10th August 2026. Now, 10th August 2026. Let's see what happens. It's regenerating because of the corrections we made. Let's see. Guys, our correction is ready. See this. Is this not looking professional? Hire me. Wow, I'm a good graphic designer. Guys, tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this out. And if there's anything you don't understand, please do not forget to chat me or drop your comments on the comment section. And I'm going to reply you back. See you next Monday on AI Reviews.